What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make the stand so that I can get you some better quality videos. Check it out. What? Oh, it's going limp. All right, we gotta go. what I would like to have had happen was to have some sort of articulated beam here so that I can move this guy, you know, however I would like to go over the workbench so that I would have better angles for future videos. However, I think the main problem is that these bars are way too long. This one here, like maybe I'll try to cut this in half and then put some more of these little guys in between. The weak part is this guy here. I'm probably gonna have to reevaluate how I'm gonna do this. I probably should have had this set further back so that it could have a little more support whenever it was bending down to go against here. Same thing for this area right here, is because this is taking the weight of everything. But this guy, yeah, maybe this needs to come out a little bit further. Just have like a better brace right here. Live and learn. Okay, we're back, and then we're gonna check out what's going on with this thing now. So, like I talked about, I reinforced. So I have 2 bolts on the shelf, and then I have the wing nut here that's going to be used. If we just loosen that a little bit, it can still swivel back and forth. Okay, that's really nice. So this goes into 3 sections instead of 2 massive ones. And I have a couple straps here so that I can put my camera on. So let's go ahead and give her a spin. Hey, there's the other tripod. All right. Hello, here I am. I'm doing stuff. Look at my tripod. Oh. I built this out of wood. So, I mean, at least I have another option to do things. I'm going over here. I want to zoom.
I have soldering iron.
Making chisel stuff. I want to use my chisel for my abs, you know what I'm saying? I need to get some chiseled abs so I can be buff. I can go to the beach. Give me to the beach. All right. That's it. Look at my dirty cuffs.